Entrepreneurship is not easy. It's hard work, and it can take time to get things off the ground. If you're willing to pay the price of success, though, it will be well worth it. Here are some tips for starting your own business. Starting a business is not easy. In today's world, entrepreneurship is not easy. It requires a lot of hard work and motivation. You must have a passion for what you do and be willing to pay the price of success in order to achieve it. You must also know your strengths and weaknesses so that you can focus on improving those areas where you need improvement. You need to make money, so you need to find a market. The first step in starting a business is finding a market. But what does that mean? You need to know who your customers are and what they want from you. You also need to know how much they are willing to pay for it, which is called price sensitivity. You have to understand how much competition there is in this industry, or if there's none. If there's no competition at all, then maybe it's time for you to create something new. Go out and get your customers. Even if it means giving stuff away for free, the best way to get customers is to give your product away for free. Give them a sample. If you want people to like you, you have to show them that you like them first. People are more likely to like you if they feel you like them. When someone approaches us and asks for help, try saying something along the lines of, "Sure. What would be helpful? I'd love some help with this." If someone compliments your work, thank them sincerely and say something like, "I appreciate the kind words." You have to work hard and be willing to pay the price of success. Make changes and take risks in order to achieve their goals. They don't expect things to fall into their lap without any effort on their part or investment in time or money. You have a dream or vision for something great that could benefit others. Hard work. If your idea is good enough, someone else will take it from you if you don't take action on it now. You can't afford to wait for someone else to do it. You need to take action now. Don't let fear of failure or success stop you from following through with your ideas. There are plenty of people who have succeeded with less knowledge than what's required for most startups. Start your own business today. If you're thinking about starting your own business, here are some things to consider. You can do it. You don't need a lot of money to start. You have a good idea and some time on your hands. Take action today. If you want to be successful as an entrepreneur, it's important to remember that there is no shortcut. You need to work hard and put in the time and effort required for success. With hard work, dedication, and perseverance, you can achieve anything.